Hello everyone, welcome to Department of Chemistry. Today we see the solution chemistry. In that we study the aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. So let us begin with it. Hello dear student, today we study the alkali and alkaline earth metal. This is the most important part of the periodic table which is situated in S block element. This particular topic is for 2 lectures in the MSc first. So before starting this point, we have to know that what is solution. Solution is nothing but the combination of solute and solvent. So in this particular point, solute and solvent means what? Solute is the less quantity and solvent is large quantity. Generally, most of the people thinks that solute means a solid part, but it is not such a, because solute is a less quantity and solvent is the large quantity in any solution. So now there are 2 types of solution. First one is aqueous solution and second one is the non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means what? The solution in which solvent is water. And non-aqueous solvent means non-aqueous solution means the solvent other than water. Other than water. Okay, so here in aqueous solution, solvent is water and solute used is either gas or solid. Example of the aqueous solution is ammonium chloride plus water. Here ammonium chloride is solute and water is a solvent. Another example is sugar and water. Next is NaCl, that is nothing but the salt plus water. The aqueous solution consists of solvent as in water and solute is either gas or solid. Example of the aqueous solution is ammonium chloride and water, sugar and water, NaCl and water, and you can take many other example of the aqueous solution. Generally the aqueous solution is a miscible solution. Miscible solution. Miscible means what? It generates only one phase. One phase. There is no generation of 2 layers. There is only presence of a one layer, that is one phase. Next is non-aqueous solution. As I told you, solvent other than water when used for the preparation of a solution is called as the non-aqueous solution. Here most of the case solvent used is alcohol or acetone. Again this non-aqueous solution is of 2 types. First one is organic non-aqueous solution and second one is inorganic non-aqueous solution. When the solution is non-aqueous organic, when the solvent used is either carbon tetrachloride, benzene, chloroform, ether, alcohol, etc. When the solvent is either of this, then the solution is called as non-aqueous organic solution. Another, when your solution in inorganic non-aqueous solution, the solvent used is either liquid ammonia or liquid SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. In both the condition, the solution is again miscible, it also generate a single layer, that is one phase. Okay, so again we are considered the most popular example of non-aqueous solution is when bromine is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Such a solution is non-aqueous solution. Okay. So in short, what is aqueous solution? The aqueous solution in which water is used as a solvent is called as aqueous solution. And non-aqueous solution means what? The solution in which other than water is used as a solvent is called as a non-aqueous solution. So this is the solution chemistry for the aqueous and non-aqueous solution. In the next lecture, we study the crown ether and krypton, and this is the most important part from the exam point of view. This is the basic information we have to use for the study of crown ether and krypton. Okay, so if do you have any problem regarding this topic, you can ask into the discussion forum. Thank you.